Hello, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode I'd like to show you a feature that's called Mail Merge. Mail Merge is actually you use Word and some database. In our case it will be Excel, and let's see what it does actually. Instead of typing 100 or 200 mails and changing each time the address and the values, then you can set a template and then press a button, and then it will either create the documents that you can print or you can send them out. So let's see how we do it. Okay, so I have created a Word document and I put Dear, and below that after the Dear I will put the name of the person. I will have the address below and the country. Here I will put the amount that the person will get. In this case it's a bonus, and we want to see how to set it up automatically. So I have created an Excel file that has the following columns: full name, address, country, amount, and email. That's it. I saved it. It's called contact. Okay, now somehow we need to merge them together. So we will go to Mail in the Word document and start Mail Merge. We'll choose, for instance, an email. Let's choose a letter, and it will start. We'll do it step by step merge. Here I can choose email or a letter. Let's do email. And we will do next. Next thing, it will ask if to use this document, so I will say use this current document. I'll click next. Now I need to choose the list, the Excel. So I will go to browse here and I will look where I stored the Excel. In my case I just stored it in the download. It shows me it's in sheet 1, and it shows me the values. You see address, country, email, and full name. Okay, let's click OK. Now actually what we can do is we can click next, and now we can integrate the columns from the Excel. So after Dear, I'll make a space and I will insert the merge field. So Dear and then full name. I'll press enter, and now I will enter the address. Click enter and click the country. And here I will insert the amount, the bonus amount. And now if I click next, I will see, for instance, you see Dear David Cohen. If I go in the arrows, I can see it has changed to Dear Joe Doe, or we could see Dear David Cohen or Martin, and you see also the amounts have changed, so it's accordingly. So no matter the list, how long it is, it will automatically create it. So what do we need to do? We'll click next, complete. Now because we chose to send it electronically, then we will we're saying that the email column will go to the 2. The mail formatting is HTML, and actually we can give a subject, so let's call it your bonus, your money, and we could choose if to send it all. Because it's just 3, then we can just send it all. So I'll click OK. You see it's running. It will use my Outlook. Let's go to my Outlook and see what's happening. So let's see if it's there. Now all of the mails I actually sent to my personal mail. So let's see file received, you see your money, your money, your money. This is dear Joe Doe, and this is for dear David Cohen. So assumingly I would change each one to a different person, and they received it. So voila, this is a fast way to do it. It has been existing in Word for 20 years, but some people don't know it. So this is actually the way to do it. As we said, as a summary, we created a Word document, just typed it, and then we also in Excel we had actually the data that we have entered, and we have connected them and inserted actually the columns. So that's it. Test it and let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel if you like it. Goodbye.